Did you know a grieving father once spent months planning the perfect murder of the man who killed his family? In 2002, Vitaly Kaloyev lost everything when his wife and 2 children died in a mid-air collision over Germany. The crash happened because air traffic controller Peter Nielsen made a deadly mistake that sent 2 planes straight into each other. While Nielsen went back to his normal life, Kaloyev's world collapsed. For 2 years, grief consumed him. He couldn't sleep, couldn't work. All he could think about was revenge, so he began to hunt. Kaloyev learned Nielsen's home address in Switzerland. He studied his daily routine like a predator stalking prey. He watched from the shadows, memorizing every detail of the man's life. Then one evening, Kaloyev knocked on Nielsen's door. When Nielsen answered, Kaloyev stabbed him to death right in front of his terrified family. The architect served only 3 years in prison. When he returned to Russia, crowds cheered him as a hero. The government gave him a job. They called it justice. But was cold-blooded murder really justice?